Welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 7 best Linux distros for laptops. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. Number 7. OpenSUSE, for IT professionals. If you're a power user, IT professional, sysadmin, or coder, OpenSUSE is your go-to Linux distro. With minimal post-installation configuration and specialized tools like OBS, OpenQA, and Kiwi, it's designed to make your life easier. Plus, thanks to YAST, a comprehensive system configuration and installation tool, OpenSUSE is accessible even for those who prefer not to work with the terminal. Number 6. Garuda Linux. Coolest looking. Garuda Linux is one of the coolest looking Linux distros out there, crafted specifically for desktop and laptop users. It ships with the Zen kernel and uses BTRFS as the default file system, supporting automatic snapshots out of the box. Garuda is optimized for gaming, with the Garuda Gamer GUI making game installation a breeze. Number 5. Manjaro. Arch-based. Manjaro is an Arch-based Linux distribution that's perfect as a daily driver. Its popularity stems from its hardware detection capabilities, which automatically install required drivers. Enjoy the Arch environment without the installation horrors, making Manjaro a stable and suitable desktop driver. Number 4. Elementary OS. Most Beautiful Elementary OS is probably the most beautiful Linux distro for laptops, with a custom-developed Pantheon desktop environment that closely resembles macOS. It's lightweight, pre-packed with basic packages, and comes bundled with various drivers, making it an extremely popular choice. Number 3. Linux Mint. Easiest transition from Windows. If you're transitioning from Windows, Linux Mint is a beginner-friendly distro that resembles Windows in appearance. It's fairly lightweight and comes with feature-rich applications like multimedia support and timeshift. It also features Warpinator, a tool that makes file sharing across a local network easy. Number 2. Pop! OS, best for programmers and engineers, developed by System76. Pop! OS is packed with features like auto-tiling, separate workspaces, and stacking windows, making it one of the best distros for programmers and engineers. It ships with the GNOME desktop environment and includes built-in themes for a customized experience. Number 1. Ubuntu. Best overall, Ubuntu is the most versatile Linux distribution, with an active community and long-term support. It's a favorite among newbies and intermediate users, thanks to a large number of software utilities. Ubuntu comes in various flavors, including Lubuntu, Subuntu, and Kubuntu, catering to different desktop environment preferences. Conclusion. These were our top 7 best Linux distros for laptops. There are many more out there like Zorin OS, MX Linux, and Reborn OS, so we highly encourage you to try them out before settling on your distro of choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content.